Hello everybody, I'm going to jump right into the tutorial today. So I'm going to be showing you how I use this Revlon one-step hair dryer. I've got a few products here. I have the Aveda leave-in conditioner spray that I'm going to put in my hair in a little bit. I've also got this detangling spray by Dry Bar called Prep Rally, and it also has a heat protectant in it for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What I'm going to do now is brush through my hair. I have this detangling brush and I'm just going to make sure that I have no knots left in my hair before we get started. As soon as I'm done brushing, I am going to grab my hair tie and put up about 3/4 of my hair. We're going to leave 1/4 down to work with to begin. All right, so now that our hair is up, I'm gonna start off by putting in the leave-in conditioner first, just a little bit throughout my hair, and I'm just gonna spread it out with my fingers. Next, I'm gonna go in with the detangling spray, and this is also the heat protector, so we're really gonna make sure we coat our hair in this properly. So as you can see on the back of this blow dryer, there's 3 settings. There's cool, low, and high. I'm going to go all the way to high because we're working with extremely damp hair, so we are going to need that heat to help our hair dry. So now you can grab a chunk of hair just as wide as the brush, and you're going to comb straight through. I like to spin the brush a couple of times as I'm going down because it really helps the hair dry faster, and I think it gives you a smoother result. Because the air from the blow dryer is blowing upwards, I sometimes like to grab the hair at a different angle. So as you can see, I grabbed it from the side this time, and that's just to smooth out the opposite part of the hair that's not actually up against the brush, because sometimes that top layer can get a little bit frizzy. So you're just going to keep doing this until this part of your hair is dry. You can spin it at the ends if you like, and you'll get a little bounce or a little curl on your ends, which is traditionally what a salon blowout will have. So if you just keep spinning on the ends, you will end up getting that look. So my first chunk is done. I'm going to continue through with the entire bottom layer, just taking the same size chunk of hair and running it through exactly like I did with the first piece. I'm just going to speed this up a little bit here because it's really the same technique all the way around. Actually, I just wanted to show you guys here quickly, because I was spinning the brush, I don't know if you can see, but I've gotten that bounce or that curl just on the ends. It's very subtle, but I think it just adds a little bit of volume and shape to a traditionally straight hairstyle. After you're pretty much done the bottom layer, I would suggest just taking the blow dryer and going through everything that you just did, just to make sure it's all even and smooth. So just a little quick sneak peek here. I'm just going to show you guys how shiny and bouncy my hair always is after I use this. I'm always impressed with what this blow dryer can do, and I got it for I think $40 or $50 on Amazon. So we're now going to take down the next layer of hair. We're just going to take the sides down, as you can see, but I'm going to leave the top for later because I've got a special technique for how to blow dry that part to get a lot of volume. So we're repeating the same steps. I'm going to spray in my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to follow up with my detangler / heat protector. And again, the same thing. So we're going to take the blow dryer and just go around just like we did on the bottom layer. So I'm going to do this quickly and I will be right back. All right, so I'm back. I'm done those side layers now. I'm now going to show you how I do the top. I mentioned earlier that I have a different technique for doing this whole top layer, and it's because I really want a lot of volume on the top. So we're actually not going to blow out to the side, but we're going to blow out forward. I'm going to pull the hair forward. So I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. I'm going to start with this side and take a chunk of hair, again as wide as the brush, but when I put it in the brush, I'm pulling up and forward away from my face. I'm not pulling down and to the side. If you do your entire top layer of hair like this, you will get an insane amount of volume, and it's long-lasting volume as well because you're drying your hair in this position. So just continue this process moving from left to right or right to left, wherever you decided to start. And just make sure you're drying each piece really well. And again, pulling up and forward. So you're kind of making like a C shape with your hairdryer. Go as close to the root as you can. I know with this One Step Hairdryer by Revlon, the brush is actually quite big. So it is a little hard to get really close to the root, but do it as well as you can, and you'll get more volume and more of a bounce at your root if you do it that way. And here comes the satisfying hair flip at the very end. So I'm all done my hair. As you can see, I have a lot of volume at my roots, and it's super shiny, super bouncy. If you guys use this forward pull technique, you'll definitely get the same results. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All the products I used today are linked down in the description below in case any of you guys are interested. Bye!